In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out here in Canva. Now, there's a few different ways that we can actually do this. The main way being down here in the right-hand corner, where we can see this bar. If we increase this bar, it will zoom in, and if we decrease it, it will zoom out. Now, if we click on this percentage just here, we can increase it by 50, we can increase it by 100, and many more options. To put it back to normal, we can simply click on Fit, and we've got it back like that. Now, that's the first and the main way to zoom in and out here in Canva. Another way is by using keyboard shortcuts. So if we hold down Command, then use the plus, like so, we can zoom in. If we use the minus, we can zoom out. So that's one keyboard shortcut that you can use. That's using Command and the plus and minus keyboard keys. The last way that you can actually zoom in and out is by using another keyboard shortcut. We can hold down Control, then we can use the scroll option on our mouse. So we can zoom in and out like that. So that's 3 ways on how to zoom in and out here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.